Here's how to download and use Alight Motion on your PC or laptop. Alight Motion is an Android and iOS app with no official desktop version, so you need an Android emulator to run it on a computer. LDPlayer is the recommended option. It is lightweight and handles creative apps well. Open your browser, search for LDPlayer Download, and go to ldplayer.net. Click Download, run the installer, and wait for LDPlayer to fully set up and launch. Once inside, if the Play Store does not open automatically, click Store, then search for Alight Motion in the top right search bar. Click on the result and select Install from Google Play. Sign into your Google account when prompted. Once installed, open Alight Motion from the LDPlayer home screen. Click Get Started and close any free trial pop-up for now. Press the plus icon at the bottom to create your first project and start editing. Using Alight Motion through LDPlayer gives you access to all the same features as the mobile version: animations, effects, keyframes, and audio, but with the benefit of a larger screen and keyboard and mouse control, which makes precise work much easier. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.